Hello ladies and gentlemen, in this video I'm going to be doing a total product overview of Proscenic's P13 cordless vacuum cleaner because it's not only versatile and powerful, but because I want to show you why it's been such an excellent investment for our home. So the P13 is a lightweight cordless stick vacuum with really powerful suction for hardwood floors, tile, carpet, and furniture. It has a runtime of up to 50 minutes and also comes with a ton of swappable heads for different surfaces. So we got this vacuum for a couple of reasons. The first is we've just got different types of floors and we wanted something that could vacuum effectively on all of them. The second reason is because we've got kids who constantly are making messes, but often drop stuff on the ground like food and crumbs and other stuff that are just heavier to pick up. So we wanted something that was powerful enough to actually pick up that heavy debris. And then the third reason is because we have a dog who is so awesome, but he sheds all the time. And so we wanted something that would also effectively remove his hair from our furniture, carpet, and rugs. So if you're looking for a vacuum for any of the same reasons, just go and buy this vacuum. But if you need further convincing, I'm just gonna jump right into the swappable heads and the cyclone. So starting with the motor bar cleaning head. This will be your workhorse, so you'll use this 90% of the time. It works on all floors, so hardwood floors, carpet, rugs, and tile. Then you have this crevice nozzle for picking up fine debris in corners or hard to reach areas. Then you have the 2-in-1 brush. By simply pressing this little button, it retracts back and protracts forward the brush head, which is good for like removing dust from dusty surfaces or like really soft furniture. And then finally, you have the cyclone. So on the side, you have this little button here that if you press, it releases the dustbin door to empty out the dustbin. But then if you press this button here by the handle, it allows you to remove the dustbin completely to both wash out and rinse. But it also provides you access to the filters. So to actually access and then clean the filters, you simply rotate and then you just pull it out. So you'll take it apart, you'll run this part under water and rinse it off. Let it air dry for 24 hours, and then you simply insert it back in, wedge it into place, and then you're good to go. And then it also comes with a removable battery that slides in and locks into place under the handle and trigger. And then by pressing this trigger, it'll actually activate the cyclone and illuminate the LCD screen to show you how much power you have left and what mode of power you're using. So if you press this button here, it'll switch it from Eco to Turbo to Super Turbo Deluxe Boost mode. A couple of the fun features is that full charge and an empty dustbin, I'm able to vacuum our laundry room, the kids' room, a bathroom, the toy room. I mean, all of their toys are picked up. This little book nook area, another kid's room, all of the stairs, the living room, dining room, kitchen, this powder bathroom, mud room, this front entry room, our bathroom, our closet, and our master bedroom, all on one charge. And then what I'll do is occasionally switch it to like Super Turbo Deluxe Boost mode to pick up heavier debris and crumbs or like stuff lodged into like carpet and rugs. Another great feature is how easy it is to empty out the dustbin. So just make sure that you're like standing over a trash can, and what you'll do is you'll just press that little button here, it'll swing the door open, and then just giving it a couple of pats, and if necessary, like a grab or two, empties out most of the remaining debris, and then you simply just close this lid and you're good to go. And then charging it is pretty simple as well. So you simply plug it into this little port found here, and if it's still attached to the cyclone, it'll illuminate that LCD screen indicating how much charging it still needs to reach 100%. But then you can also remove the battery as well to charge separately from the cyclone for like further convenience. So if it isn't obvious by now, this thing picks up fine debris without issues. It works great on carpet, hardwood floors, and tile. It takes like 4 hours to charge the battery and then allows you to both vacuum, any kind of surface that you have to your heart desire. So yeah, it's great, especially for the turbo boost mode in picking up like lodged crumbs and debris in carpet. So that's my product review of the Proscenic P13 cordless stick vacuum cleaner. And if you've gotten this far in my video and found it in any way helpful or informative, even if you end up going with another vacuum, I'd really appreciate just a simple thumbs up or heart on this video. Over and out.